Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Chanca Piedra, 90 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. Supports urinary tract health. Premium vegan non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Chanca Piedra is the Spanish common name for the tradition herb Phyllanthus niruri, and literally means break stones. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule per day without food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients. Capsule, hypromellose and purified water, and organic rice hull. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if seal under cap is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Note, product appearance, odor and taste may vary from lot to lot, due to the use of national ingredients. Consult your physician before use if you are pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, or are taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.